Hello and welcome to Modern Dental Career Training. We have our new location at Dentistry at Windermere. I'm going to take you guys on a quick tour today and show you all the cool things that we have. Let's go! So this is where we have our classroom on Saturdays. It's a normal working office for dentistry Monday through Fridays. Obviously we have to transform it for you guys on a Saturday, but we provide all the books, all the supplies needed, enough staff so that you all feel comfortable learning, and it's pretty cool. Let's go to the back. So now that the classroom's over with, let's go to where the magic happens. So welcome to Dentistry at Windermere. We have 7 main operatories here so that we have enough room for all of you to learn. We have our CT scan, our newest technology scanner. We're always learning and growing in dentistry, and we always have the best and highest technology so that you guys are always up to date. We have our sterilization. Perfect. Well, now we're making our way to the laboratory. This is where we're going to show you guys how to take alternate impressions, pouring up models, night guards, retainers, everything that you can do in a lab. This is one of our main rooms that we will use for school. Normally we have a typodont set up here. We have our teacher on one side and the student on the other. We have a clear space with everything, suctions, all the equipment needed so that you can be the best dental assistant. Here we are again at sterilization. We can come in from both ways, left and right. And we focus a lot of our time on sterilization, hygiene. It's super important in a dental office. So these 2 walls, very important. Let's go out. This concludes our tour at Modern Dental Training. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any other questions, I'll put the link below.